price elasticity, very important question, sometimes in prelims, price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand. What do you mean by price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity of demand. See, whenever price changes, what is the response of demand to the change in price? That is called price elasticity. Okay? If it doesn't respond at all, price changes whatever changes, no change in demand, means demand is not responding to the price. Can we say elastic demand or inelastic? Perfectly inelastic demand. No change on demand because of change of price, whatever be the change. I gave you the example of salt. Clear that? So elasticity shows responsiveness of demand to the change in prices. Clear that? You just write this. It is the responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity. It is the responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity. Quantity demanded of a commodity. It is the responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity to the change in its prices. To the change in its prices. To the change in its prices. You get this? To the change in its prices.